This is the living room, dining room combination of the home just purchased in foreclosure. So there is some cleaning and painting, new flooring to be put in, and then it will be made absolutely gorgeous again. Kind of dark in here because there are some lights that need to be replaced. And let's go up here and see what we've got going on. Here is the loft area. Just an area between the bedrooms. This is one bedroom, the loft, 2 bedrooms, and there's a bathroom there. Here is the owner's suite with a sitting area. And the owner's bathroom and closet. Kind of dark in here. This is an investment property recently purchased at foreclosure steps. I'm Marvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate.